In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a color overlay in Canva using shapes and duotone effects. Hey everyone, welcome in. A color overlay is a simple way to unify your design, tone down a busy photo, or match an image to your brand palette, and you can do it in just a few clicks. First, open your Canva design. This can be a blank canvas or any project you're already working on, like a social post, presentation slide, or thumbnail. Make sure your image is placed on the canvas and sized the way you want before we add the overlay. Now head to the Elements tab on the left, search or scroll to Shapes, and choose the rectangle. You can pick another shape if you're going for a specific look, but a rectangle is perfect for covering an entire image. Click to add it to your canvas. Drag the corners of the shape so it stretches across your image from edge to edge. If you see a purple snap line, that's Canva helping you align it precisely. With the shape selected, open the color tile in the top toolbar and choose the color you want for your overlay. You can select from the default swatches, your document colors, or enter a hex code if you need an exact brand color. Next, adjust the transparency so the photo shows through. With the shape still selected, find the transparency icon in the top right toolbar and move the slider until the blend looks right. Lower values make the image more visible. Higher values give you a stronger wash of color. A subtle overlay around 20 to 40% often works well for photos, while bold graphics might handle 50% or more. If you want a more creative treatment, you can also add a duotone effect to the underlying image. Click the image itself, go to Effects or Edit Photo, and choose Duotone. Pick a preset to start, then refine the two colors to complement your overlay. You can adjust the highlights and shadows colors to shift the mood, from warm and vibrant to cool and moody, and then fine-tune your overlay transparency again for balance. Finally, step back and review your design. Zoom out to see the overall harmony, and tweak the overlay color or transparency until your text and subject are clear and readable. Small adjustments go a long way here. And that's how you add a color overlay in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.